Okay. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This multi-skilled electrician. Okay, so today I'm here in uh, Shai Osudoku district in the Greater Accra region for another electrical project. This is also a three-bedroom house, um, and it's a three-phase electrical system. Okay, so I'm going to take you through a very quick and full house tour. I'll start right here from this side. So right here is where the energy meter will be positioned, of where the energy meter will be fixed. Okay, so it's a three-phase energy meter. Okay, so we're going to enter the main house. There's a small porch, so there's one light here and one double 13 amps double socket outlet here. So there's the uh, dining. There's the dining. So in the dining we have two lights here and one light, one ceiling fan in the middle and another wall light there. Okay, so there's a switch here. When you enter, you use this to control these lights here. Okay, so right here is the kitchen. There's the switch to control the lighting here, and also there's the switch controlling this storeroom light. Okay, there's the kitchen. It has two lights, two ceiling lights, and one ceiling fan. Okay, now these are 13 amps double pull socket outlet switch, ceiling fan regulator, the socket outlet, another socket outlet. Okay, okay, so there's the socket outlets at the dining room. Okay, so we proceed to the living room. There's a socket outlet, another socket outlet, a socket outlet, and the TV outlet. Yeah, another socket outlet, a wall light or corner light, and the AC unit outlet. Okay, so here there are one, two, three, four spotlights or ceiling lights, and another one in the middle here, and uh, two ceiling fans, one here and another one here. Okay, so here there's another switch here controlling this light right here in this porch. Another 30 amps double socket outlet here. There's the AC switch where the AC switch will be fixed. These are these are these are for ceiling fan regulators. So because there are two ceiling fans in the hall, these are two sets of three gang switches controlling the living room and some outside lighting. Another one dining light. Okay, so right here is the consumer unit. So it's a three-phase. So we have our phases here. We have phase one here, two and three, and the neutral. And we have we have here this the main earth, the main earth, and also we have we have uh, we have the live and neutral for a generator set. Okay, so here these are the circuits, the lighting system circuit, the socket outlet circuit, the air conditioner and water heater circuit. Yeah. Okay. So this double socket bathroom shavings socket. Okay. This outside lights and ceiling fans. It's a switch wire. And so all the circuits are right here. Okay, so we move to the master bedroom. Master bedroom. There's the switch when you enter. You use this to control this spare light here. This switch, and there's the AC switch right here. So in the bedroom there are two ceiling lights. There's the master bedroom. So there are two ceiling lights, one ceiling fan in the middle, another wall light there, and this is the bedside switch. So these are two-way switch, so you can control them. You can switch them on and off from either of the side when you are entering or when you are on the bed. There's the AC unit outlet, the TV, and water heater switch, and the switch for controlling the bathroom light, the water heater unit outlet, another 13 amp single socket for shaving or hair dryer. We proceed to another room. So there's a switch, an air conditioner switch, TV and socket outlets. There's one light here because there's a bit smaller room, and the ceiling lights in the center of the room. Yeah, we have another switch and fan regulator here. That's two-way switch for you. Another wall light in the room. Socket outlet. The AC unit outlet. We proceed to the last room, that is the third room. So you have your switch here, a two-way switch here. You have AC switch here, TV, and another socket outlet, AC unit outlets. And there's the bedside switch and fan regulator and a wall light here. Okay, so we'll enter another washroom here. There's the washroom light. There's the switch to control the washroom light and small hallway here. And there's the water heater switch. There's the water heater unit outlet. Okay, so I'm wrapping up. Okay, so maybe a quick information about the cables here. So there's the supply cables for supply aids and other stuff. So there's a 16 millimeter square cable. There's the cable. There's 2.5 millimeter square cable for socket outlets. There's 1.5 millimeter square cable for lighting and ceiling fan outlets. And This is 4 millimeter square cable for air conditioner and water heater unit. Okay, so this was a quick full house tour of this 3 bedroom house. So this multi-skilled electrician, your community electrician. You can contact us for all your electrical installation or your electrical work. You can WhatsApp us or reach us on +233 245 343 796, and also on +233 20978 7770. And on Facebook, you can find us on this page, Vicariate Electrical. So the Vicariate is VICARRIET, and the electricals. Okay. So I'll come your way again very soon, and I hope you have a very great day. See you soon. Bye for now.